see where this at, cuh. We up here at Yello Belly Drag Strip, Dallas, Texas, Grand Prairie, Texas, man. We live on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. We in HD right now, man. We trying to get up to the 25,000. Stuff been acting like it wanted to go slow. Well, since I done got the 23, and it'll be so good if y'all 1,900 people that's on my TikTok, if I can get some of y'all to come on over here to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, because I'm trying to grow it. Yeah, and if you do, you could let me know you just came from TikTok and I'm gonna shout you out. Yeah, Clifton Spears, Michael Seavitt, You Can't Be Serious, Alexander Lemaster, Marcos, Victor, Chasey Pooh, Grab a D. Oh, Grab a D over there in Jamaica. Ricky Rush, Logan. Yeah, we waiting on y'all. We waiting on y'all. Okay, Ghost just came from TikTok. There we go. They coming on in. Who that? D-Chap. Abel Castro, look out. Ryan Robertson, look out. Mandy Bush, the Panther OGs. Yeah. Vote for Pedro. Zinks, I don't know how to really. ZNXY. Sir Wolf Wolf. Okay, fail. Big Rock just came. Dang, they coming quick now. Hey, Kevin Lopez, TGR. Some of y'all, Howard Grisby, some of y'all gonna have to redo it. Reginald James. Who was that? That's a girl. Sharice Washington, girl, where you from? Ego Teresa. Hey, where y'all from anyway? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all TikTokers is way better quality. Look out, Derek, Big Boy, Jessica, King, I ain't see, Christina Tim, Paco. Oh, we got a Paco, man. That's who did my body work, a Paco. Daddy A69. Oh, we got Philly in the house. Memphis, Josh Riley, Learn Prince. Okay. The Panther Piss OG, Mark Mercado. Yeah, we love Paco. Jessica, C Breezy. Look out. Pittsburgh, Cali, San Antonio, Arkansas. Daddy A69 just came from TikTok. Appreciate y'all. Okay, Maryland in the building. Gerald Nim. Okay, Gerald Nim in here. Pepon Stay True, he in here. I'm right here. Oh, damn, what's up with it, man? What's up, Pepon Stay True, man? He from TikTok too. Howard Grid, DR from West Virginia. Ali Zayford. Oh, Gary Davis, he from damn, I done miss Gary Davis. Tim Gentry, North Carolina, Learn Prince. Okay. Okay, I got you. Okay, C Camera. Paco say C Camera, y'all. Paco say C Camera. Yeah. Okay, Street and Hell. Street and Hell, where you from? Street and Hell, Mission, Texas. Okay, oh, they done fired the cars up, y'all. D-Chap.
Hey, he wants to run by himself.
Hey, y'all, okay, DMG just came from TikTok. Appreciate that. Okay, little Eco Boost, y'all seen it. Shout out, who was that? Hell, what? I can't even see it. You gonna have to write that again. Oh, we got Oak Cliff in the building. I see you. And they only got two at a time.
He said solo. I think he's scared of you.
Oh, okay. Hey, man, let me ride with you then. Can I go with you? Nah, you finna try to get a personal best? I want to see how fast it is, man. Damn, man. Look, he got that juice on her, y'all. Yeah, that was too late. Yeah, something ain't right. Okay. Okay, y'all, here go Funky Town.
He said, hell no. Let me see if you street second. Let me see.
Well, you got Sharice up in here.
That's my homeboy, Miss Second Girl, man.
Oh, shit, you gonna miss? Hey, bet 100.
Belly Miss Second
He
Girl,
gon'
man.
bet he don't.
Belly Miss Second Girl.
Hey, the bet on, man.
Look, he
Look,
look.
hey, man, don't miss second.
Look.
Hey. Yeah, he got off of it. Yeah, he shifted all kind of wrong just to make sure he got. I don't know what he was doing. He went to fourth gear. Oh snap!
Wrestling Saturday, and there'll be a live band concert. There'll be concerts actually, lots of bands out here. It'll be a big event. There's going to be over 1,000 people out here, so expect something to happen with that. That's Saturday, the day after tomorrow. Tomorrow night, Flashlight Friday. You bring your
Got a couple cars for the race.
For tonight. That's for tonight's wristband. For tomorrow night, you get half price with that wristband. That'll be Flashlight Friday tomorrow night.
Fred Clark just left TikTok. Appreciate that, Fred.
That was last Friday.
Mandy, she a member.
I'm sure we're gonna do something like that again tomorrow night.
You on my YouTube channel, ain't you? Okay, I'm just making sure. He finna make a full pass, y'all. Let me see. Hey, you need a sticker? You be rocking, I see you got these stickers on here, man. Let me see. This how it look. You will rock that? Yeah, he said he'll rock that, y'all. Okay. Hey, look out, small block or big block? Huh? Small block or big block? Small block? Okay, y'all, he said small block. Nitrous motor or supercharger, what is it? Turbo, what is it? On the motor, okay. Big, you say small block, right? Small block on the motor. Stock bottom end. Okay, stock bottom end. Little cam or big cam, or no cam? A little baby cam, man, with the springs on the heads. Yeah, I got a little baby cam, y'all. With the push rods, you got the whole kit. Okay, got the whole kit. Got a tune. Okay, it's tuned and everything, y'all. He ready, y'all. He'll sneak up on you. He done built a sleeper. He got a sleeper, y'all. He got a sleeper. He got a sleeper, y'all.